Hello everyone. We are all here for our first TPU activity, which is self-introduction. So our team name is The Risers and I am Mansi Ghevde, the team leader. So firstly, I would like to introduce myself. Hello everyone. My name is Mansi Ghevde and currently I am pursuing my third year of engineering in the branch Electronics and Telecommunication at Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am from Kolhapur district of Maharashtra and I have completed my schooling from Hospete, Karnataka. Having taken this branch, I have gained a good knowledge of programming languages like C and Python, and I am looking forward to learn many more languages. I have also completed a few certification courses like Python programming, web development, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. With the help of these courses, we have done a few projects, namely house price prediction system using MLAI and also developed an e-commerce website. Currently, I am pursuing an app development course from Udemy, and the recent project that I have worked on is IoT-based smart parking system using Raspberry Pi. In my college, I am a part of RoboClub, and I have coordinated Robothon event of Avishka 2020. My hobbies include drawing, painting, cooking, journaling, and reading books. I believe that my strength is that I am a hard worker, a quick learner, and I work well in teams. So I'm looking forward to utilize my skills to the fullest and contribute something to the growth of the company. Thank you. Now I would like to call Aditi for her introduction.
Thank you, Mansi. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditi Dheeraj Kode from Amravati, and I'm currently pursuing my BTech degree in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Government College of Engineering, Karad, District Satara. I have completed my SSC from G.R. Kabra High School, securing 91.4% and HSC from Nutan Kanya Junior College, securing 75.6%. My current CGPA is 8.7. Till now, I have completed two internships. First one is full stack web development and second one is machine learning and artificial intelligence. Also, I have done one industrial training on Python. I have been part of so many projects. Some of them I would like to mention here. First one is blood bank management system. Second one is house price prediction system, and third one is IoT-based smart parking system. Right now, I'm working as a coordinator of RoboClub in Government College of Engineering, Karad. Also, I have worked as events co-head in eCell GCE Karad and also coordinated the integrity section in Maxim Committee of GCE Karad. I have secured All India 6th rank in NEC National Entrepreneurship Challenge, which was held by IIT Bombay. Also secured third position in Robo Marvel competition, which is in Cummins College, and also participated in Entrepreneurship Development Program EDP, which was held by Lean Campus Startups. Coming to my technical skills, I have good knowledge of Python, C, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and HTML. And my interpersonal skills are team management, teamwork, leading the team, and also sincerity and obedience highlights my interpersonal skills. Apart from that, my hobbies are watercolor painting, cooking, and watching videos. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditi. Next is Deepti Nangre.
Hello everyone, my name is Dipti Deepak Nangre. I am from Kowad. You may know this village by the name of Mr. Ranjit Dada Desai, who was awarded by Padma Shri for his Swami novel. I have completed my SSC from Sri Ram Vidyalaya Kowad with 95 aggregate percent and HSC from Sadhana Junior College Gadinglas with 85 aggregate percentage. Currently, I am pursuing my third year of engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad, in Electronics and Telecommunication domain, and my current CGPA is 8.5. Till now, I have done two internships. Both are from Experts Hub in full stack web development and machine learning and artificial intelligence, through which I have done two projects: blood bank management system and house price prediction system. I'm also working as project intern at Siemens Private Limited for the project IoT based smart ambulance system. I have also completed one project named IoT-based smart ambulance system. Coming to my technical skills, I have good grip on C programming. Also, I know about Python, machine learning, mechatronics, focusing on pneumatics part, and HTML. I have also participated in National Entrepreneurship Challenge in which I was working as documentation coordinator and we secured 6th rank in India. My hobbies are drawing, cooking, doing some crafts. I love doing all this and hence I'm working as co-head of our college House of Art Club. Coming to my strengths, I have good management skills. Also, I'm good in keeping secrets, which in turn reflects that I'm a trustworthy person. Thank you.
Thank you, Dipti. Next, I would like to call Komal Lakde for her introduction.
Hello everyone, my name is Komal Sanjay Lakde from Hura Ashram, Buldana. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree from Government College of Engineering, Karad, District Satara, in Electronics and Telecommunication branch. My current CGPA is 7.8. I have completed my SSC from Vivekananda Vidya Mandir with 93.20% and HSC with 70.92%. My CET percentile was 93.20. Recently, I have completed 2 internships that are full stack web development and second is machine learning and artificial intelligence. Under these 2 internships, I have completed 2 projects. First is blood bank management system and second is house price prediction system. Right now, I am working as a coordinator in House of Arts Club and I also work as a coordinator in Decoration Committee, under which we have conducted many events. Technical skills, my technical skills are C++, Python and web development. My hobbies are cycling, trekking and visiting to new places. Thank you.
Thank you, Komal. Next, I would like to call Pratiksha Thorat for her introduction.
So good morning everyone. My name is Pratiksha Dattatreya Thorat. I am pre-final year student at Government College of Engineering, Karad, currently pursuing my BTech degree in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. And my current CGPA is 9.7. I have completed my higher secondary education from Tigadi Patilan Junior College, Karad with 87% and my secondary education from Krishna School and Junior College, Karad with 97%. My technical skills include C programming, C++, Python, web development, and MySQL. Till date, I have completed 3 projects. The first one is Smart Helmet using Raspberry Pi. Second one is Alumni Management System. Basically, it is a website. And the third one is House Price Prediction System using ML and AI. Apart from this, talking about my extracurricular activities, I have been a part of HOA Club, which is House of Arts Club, under which we have coordinated and conducted many events. Also, I have worked under ESL GC Karad. Then talking about my strengths, I am hardworking, I am obedient, I am humble, and also I am good at team working. My strengths, these were my strengths, and my hobbies include I love painting, especially blade painting, and I also love watching movies and web series. So at last, I would like to conclude that I'm an enthusiastic learner, always eager to learn something. So that's it about myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratiksha. Next, I would like to call Harshvardhan for his introduction.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. I am Harshvardhan Wadone. I come from Sangli district of Maharashtra. I completed my SSC and HSC education from SRBV Tasgaon with securing 90% and 70% respectively. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree in Electronics and Telecommunication from Government College of Engineering, Karad. My current CGPA is 8.25. I am good in programming languages like Basic C and Python and very much interested in web development, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and cybersecurity. I have done few internships on image processing, AIML, and full stack web development. In that, I did some project like e-commerce website. I have done few certifications like Crash Course on Python by Google and IT Security Defense Against Dark Art. As a part of academics, I did machine learning based face mask detection using Raspberry Pi. Also, I am a member of RoboClub of our college. Talking about my hobbies are watching web series and movies, reading newspaper, and listen to music. My strengths are positive attitude and hard work. I am looking forward to join company and using my knowledge to solve real industry problem and learn more to enhance my skill. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshavardhan. Next, I would like to call Parshuram for his introduction.
Hello everyone. My name is Parashram Khandera Pawar. I am from Rajapur, Sangli district. I completed my SSC from Era Vidya Mandir Rajapur, securing 94%, and HSC from LK Junior College, Palus, securing 86%. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree in Electronics and Telecommunication branch from Government College of Engineering, Karad. My current CGPA is 8.32. I completed an internship on full stack web development from ExpertSub. As a part of this internship, I completed one project which is e-commerce website. I also done an industrial training on Python programming. Recently, I completed one project which is IoT-based weather monitoring system using NodeMCU ESP8266. In this project, I sent and stored real-time weather data to the cloud. I have good knowledge of C and C++ programming language. I am also interested in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I am self-motivated, honest person with positive attitude towards my career. My weaknesses are overthinking and can't say no to the people. My hobbies are watching stand-up comedies and playing online games, etc. That's about me. Thank you.
Thank you, Parshuram. Next, I would like to call Amit Chavan for his introduction.
Hello everyone, my name is Amit Vijay Chavan. I am from Karad. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in the third year of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering in the Government College of Engineering, Karad. Along with academics, I have a good knowledge of Python programming language. I have completed internship in the full stack web development at the Expert Hub. Recently, I have completed the crash course on Python in the Coursera and the cybersecurity training in the Internashala training. As a project, I have completed the engineering virtual program at the Goldman Sachs. As a part of the college activity, I have completed the mini projects such as soil moisture detector and the smart dustbin using Raspberry Pi. Also, I have completed the course on game theory. My hobbies are to play and watch cricket, football, and other games. Good listener and self learner are some of my good qualities. Also, I am very passionate about esports. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. Next, I would like to call Venkatesh for his introduction.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Venkatesh Kulkarni. As far as my education qualification concerned, I am pursuing BTech in ENTC from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Currently, my CGPA is 7.6. I completed my 10th from HPHS Dharmabad and 12th from OSS Bhandara, OSS Junior College Bhandara. I got 78% in 10th and 77% in 12th. I am good in programming languages C, C++, and Java, and very much interested to learn many more languages. Till now, I worked on two projects. One is crowd detection using Raspberry Pi, and another one is interfacing GPS with 8051 microcontroller. I complete full stack web development internship. My strength is positive attitude, self-confidence, and hard working. My weakness are I can easily believe everyone, and my hobbies are playing volleyball, playing cricket, watching web series, and traveling to new places. Thank you.
Thank you, Venkatesh. Thank you, everyone, for participating in this self introduction activity.